this video, we have a house that costs 100 million times more than this. And because I never plan on setting foot in this worthless shack again, let's head over to something a little nicer. Speaking of which, we're at the $1 million house. Which technically means you need to be a millionaire to buy this house. Let's show you how a millionaire lives. My first impression is it's way bigger than my house. When you pay $1 million, you get a pretty good sized kitchen, along with 4 bedrooms that look normal. But they keep going, because this bedroom has a closet here, which leads into a bathroom that is bigger than the $1 house.
This bathtub is gigantic. I'm 6'5", and I could fit in this perfectly comfortably.
And even though the bathrooms are all stocked with bidets, oh God! The best seat in the house is definitely downstairs. Oh snap, they have a movie theater.
Dude, these chairs are massage chairs.
Wait, what?
These chairs each have 2 remotes.
2 remotes. On top of the movie theater, there's also an arcade. I was not expecting all these features for $1 million.
Yo, this house is awesome.
I'd have so much more friends if I owned a place like this. And ending with the pool, which comes complete with this unnecessary waterfall. Overall, I'd say this was a pretty fun house to live in. But of course, we're all here to see the richest of the rich. And that's why up next we have the $15 million house.
Are you pushing it?
Oh my God.
Jeez, man.
I don't belong here.
This looks like the house that you try to get to in GTA.
That view is crazy. The pool is much smaller than the $1 million house, but you can literally oversee all of LA.
Help! Hey! Hey!
Stop, go inside. I need new friends. Let's check out the house. The person who owns this house, what do you think he does for a living?
NFTs.
He's a lawyer. This guy was the top attorney in 2017 and the #1 lawyer in 2021. Apparently that's all it takes to afford this house. It appears a note was left for us. Dear Mr. Beast, thank you for visiting my home. You have given me the ultimate gift. I have a trump card with my kids forever. Aw.
Also, please don't eat any of the sandwiches. They are very sacred to me, and my family's been passing it down from generation to generation.
Got it. Down or up?
Down.
Down it is. Okay, now it's starting to look nice. The lower floor of this mansion comes with its very own movie theater and personal gym. This treadmill requires a passcode to use. 6969.
It's not 6969.
A guest bedroom, entertainment area, and a bar where the owner left us a bunch of free food. Guys, before you eat anything.
Yep.
What if he left this out so he could sue us for eating his... Well, too late now, Carl ate it. And an incredible underground view of the swimming pool. Nolan's trying to swim in the background for the shot. I don't think he realized we stopped filming him.
Back again?
Yeah, do it one more time.
And now, a master bedroom with another crazy view. Carl, come here.
You missed.
We got another one.
Ah, you missed again.
Oh wait, no, stop it!
Nolan, stop this cushion also!
Stop throwing the cushion!
If it goes over the edge, he might sue me. And so, to avoid being handed court papers, we decided to fly all the way across the country to Massachusetts for the $30 million house.